are riding beside zebras! Look! The baby elephant splashed us! Wow! It is eating from my hand!
And our adventure is only beginning! Hello, everyone! Today, we are in Kenya. Let's see what adventures are waiting for us.
Wow! Can we wear these clothes too?
Yes, you can try some today.
Their clothes are so colorful and beautiful. I look like a real Maasai warrior now.
I love these beautiful necklaces and bright colors.
I want to try jumping with them too.
Go, Tom! Show us your biggest jump!
Why are they jumping so high?
Jumping is part of their famous dance.
This village is full of music and happy people.
Can we take a photo together? Of course! Everyone loves family pictures. Welcome to the famous Masai Mara National Reserve.
Wow! I can already see so many zebras. How many zebras are there today?
I think there are too many to count.
Look! They all have different stripe patterns. I can see giraffes walking behind the zebras. Can we drive closer to those giraffes?
Yes, they are walking this way. Look at those elephants near the big tree.
The baby elephant is hiding behind its mother.
Which animal should we look for next?
I want to see a cheetah today.
Everyone, look at that rocky hill.
I see something sitting on that rock. Is that really a cheetah up there?
Yes, and it is looking over the grassland.
This safari feels like a huge animal treasure hunt.
Let's take one picture with the savannah behind us.
I never knew one place had so many animals.
Today, we will explore the park by bicycle.
Wow! These cliffs look like giant stone walls. Are we really riding bikes here today?
Yes, this park is famous for cycling.
The air feels fresh and cool this morning.
Look! The zebras are walking beside us. Can I ride next to the zebra?
Stay close and ride very slowly.
I feel like I am riding inside a movie.
Look! There are giraffes near those cliffs.
Why are they so close to the rocks?
They often walk through this open valley.
This place feels very different from our first safari.
Who is enjoying the bicycle safari most?
I think we all are today. I love riding beside animals and giant rocks. This was our most exciting bike ride ever!
Today we are visiting a baby elephant orphanage.
Look! The baby elephants are waiting for milk. Why are they standing in a line?
They know milk time is coming. The milk bottles are ready for feeding time.
Can they drink all that milk?
Yes, they are very hungry today. They must really love their milk time.
What is that elephant doing now?
I think it wants to play.
Look! They are playing together in the mud. Can we sit near the elephants?
Yes, but stay calm and gentle.
They are soft, sweet, and very friendly.
This place is full of love and care.
I will always remember these baby elephants.
Welcome to beautiful Diani Beach, everyone. Look at those tall palm trees beside the beach.
Wow! The ocean is so blue and clear. Can we play on the beach now?
Yes, let's enjoy the sand and water.
I want to collect some pretty seashells. Should we build a giant sandcastle together? Yes! Let's make the biggest one here.
Our sandcastle already looks amazing.
Look! The waves are coming toward our castle. Can we run into the water now?
Of course! Let's splash around together.
The water feels warm and refreshing today.
Look, I found a beautiful pink seashell.
What is moving near that little rock? I think it is a tiny crab. That little crab walks in a funny way.
Let's drink fresh coconut juice by the sea.
This is the best! This beach feels like a tropical paradise.
Welcome! Today we are visiting the Giraffe Center.
Wow! Those giraffes look so tall from here. Are they taller than Dad?
Yes, much taller than me. Here is some food for the giraffes.
I want to feed the first giraffe myself.
Tom, are you feeling nervous now?
Just a little, but very excited. The giraffe is coming right toward me.
Look at that long blue tongue, everyone!
Will it take the food gently?
Yes, giraffes are usually very gentle.
Great job, Tom. The giraffe likes you.
Can I feed one giraffe too?
Of course, go ahead and try.
This giraffe is so friendly and funny.
Let's take a selfie with our new friend. Today, we will fly over Masai Mara in a balloon.
Wow, that balloon looks huge up close. Are we really going inside that balloon?
Yes, Our adventure is about to begin.
The sun is starting to rise behind the trees.
Can we see animals from the sky?
Yes, we might see many of them.
I can feel warm air from the burners. Look, we are slowly leaving the ground. Everything looks tiny from up here already.
Can you see any animals below us?
Yes! I can see a herd of zebras.
Look at those giraffes walking through the trees.
I can even see elephants from up here. Can the animals hear our balloon?
I think we are floating very quietly.
This view feels like a beautiful dream.
This was the most magical morning in Kenya.